Good morning and welcome to Electric Fisherman. I'm here on the Ochlockonee River heading up towards the Lake Talquin Dam, and we are going after some striper. I'm here with my friends Dan and Andy. They're casting off of the deck here. We're just trolling as we head up to the dam and hope to hook up with a striper for you. All right, talk soon. All right, Dan's got a fish. Dan's got the first hookup today.
He's right there. Oh my god. Oh, that's a honker.
Let's get a look at this honker.
It's a catfish. It is too. I saw a whisker. Oh, it is. What the rib? That's a good, right? Yeah.
Looks like Dan's got a big catfish. Woo, that's a big boy. Oh my god. You gotta get it over the nose if you can.
It's too big.
Get that in the boat.
There you go.
Woo,
Smokes,
Dan! Dan!
Woo.
Oh! Are you gonna keep that?
I don't know. Dude,
Yeah, keep it, dude. Let's eat it. Let's fry some catfish this afternoon.
Alright.
Sounds good to me. All right.
That was huge, man.
Dan has drawn first blood. Good job, man. All right. Andy hooked up. How's it feel?
Oh, it feels
Feels like a good
strong.
one? Woo-hoo-hoo.
Was that on live bait? No, on the chartreuse. Z-Man. Look at that
Is that a
thing.
striper?
Yeah, it's a striper. I think that's what I'm gonna tie back on with is the jig. You could use that jig I just took off. Okay. I'm pulling against the current though, so it's like real heavy. That's what happened with the catfish, is like swimming sideways through the current. Gotta tire this thing out. Dude, it's fighting so hard. I'm using my Claris Shimano graphite pull over. We're loose from the anchor. Oh shit,
Oh,
dude,
yeah.
we're loose from the anchor.
Well, hopefully the anchor catches. We're just gonna have to let this.
Yeah, we can't bounce off the side.
Yeah, we're just gonna let the anchor try to.
Here, there, he's right here, right here. Come on, come on. Where you at? Right here.
Oh, Andy. Yo, boy. Oh, shit. Get that sucker in there.
Just get him in. Just
Oh,
get him in.
yeah. Andy.
Oh yeah, baby.
Andy.
Look at that fatty.
Woo. Nice fish, man. Pretty fish.
Come on, chartreuse. Hey, there's some sort of. Hey, wait. Okay, now we gotta get the boat.
I think the anchor will catch. Worst case scenario will
All right.
be okay.
Oh. That was the anchor.
Let's get a look at that thing, man.
Oh my god, it's so fat. Look how fat it is.
That's a beautiful fish, Andy. Pick it up. Let's get a look at this thing. Whoa. You can't grab its mouth?
You feel like I.
All right, Andy.
Yeah, baby.
What a pretty fish. Wow, you did a good job, man. Right. Nice job. Way to go, Andy.
Thank you, sir.
The video turns off.
Oh.
What do you got here?
Crappie? Oh my god, dude.
Little trip to what? What is this?
That would be delicious if it's a big old crappie.
What is it?
That's what it looks like to me. You got a crappie.
Whoa! Is that a crappie?
I think so. Or a carp.
Is it a carp? The heck
Might be
is
some
this?
sort of carp.
If you tap the back of the screen, it will show you what you're shooting in.
Might be some sort of carp. Yeah, I think that's carp. But hey, you could
Is
keep
it a carp?
Keep it. We
Why?
can figure it out later.
I'm not gonna keep it if it's a carp. This is all I caught today. Whatever it is.
You want to keep it or no?
I don't know, dude. It doesn't look like a... I'm gonna let it go.
Could be a piranha.
It's not a crappie, is it? You think it's a carp?
It's up to you. Hey, it might be good karma throwing it back. Do you want to be throwing it back? Yes.
Carp?
Is it?
Identify it.
Yeah.
Identify it. What?
He's gonna punch you. He's gonna push you in the water. Yeah, that's a carp. Just throw it back.
Do you have something that can identify this? It's a fun carp, right?
Yeah. Say bye.
Yeah, that's carps.
Those are suckers.
Maybe like some kind of sucker fish. Adios! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more.